Indicators are flashing. Bitcoin's ready to launch. Make sure you take profits into Bitcoin. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Dimitri Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in Dubai. Going to be leaving on Monday to the USSA. You know what I'm talking about, right? Anyways, yes, I'm heading over to America for the Bitcoin 2024. That's going to be coming to Dubai, actually, the Bitcoin 2024. So those Bitcoin conferences. So looking forward to having them here in Dubai, right? It's where there's no taxes here. So appropriate location for that. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing a couple meetups, right? Actually, you know what? I got to set up the meetups. I will be doing some sort of video today or tomorrow to let you know when the meetup's going to be, how to get in, how to watch, how to be a part of it very soon. So make sure you check out all my social medias, because it will show up most likely in my Instagram or Twitter feed. So make sure you check that out there. Okay. With that said, we're going to be talking about how to trade this at the end of the show. And if you're going to trade this, the only place you're going to trade this is at ByBit.DaVinciJ15. Link is in the description below, right? Alrighty. Also share, register for this $5 per user deposit, right? And on top of that, right, you can earn other rewards for sharing by your own affiliate link with ByBit. So check that out in the description below. Okay. Guys, yeah, I'm slowly, accumulating me, because I know that me is going to take me places. Oh boy, waffles, right? It might be waffling a little bit here, but we're going to 100 million market cap and beyond. So buckle up, right? And while PEIPEI, whilst, nothing goes up in a straight line, we are going to the $1 billion market cap. May not be this month or this week, right? But it's coming. And if you don't have a position yet, right, you're missing out. In fact, ALTCOIN Daily came out talking about PEIPEI as well, and me being their ambassador. Check out this video in the description. It's an awesome video. I was pretty impressed with what the twins did here. So hopefully I'll meet them at the Bitcoin 2024. I probably will see them. All right, let's go over the news in defense of Bitcoin culture. I'm not going to be talking about that one, but the AI sets Bitcoin price for August 1. Interesting. Bitcoin price hits a bull market trend that sparked a 30% gains. 30%. We laugh at 30%. Yeah, wait, you ain't seen nothing yet. MT Gox drama hit, so maybe we'll read a little bit about that. And if you're interested in the rest of the news articles, you can join the public group here by clicking this link in the description and checking this out. Okay, let's see here. AI sets Bitcoin price for August 1st. And yeah, I had it down here. Let's see, what price did they say? It was saying $68,000, which is okay. Logical number, right? It's a week away, right? I think that would be close to his breakout price. And I think it might be a little bit higher than that. I think it will start to break above that. By August 1. And so we might be a little bit higher, maybe close August a little bit lower, back into its range, but at the higher level of the range, before it takes off on September, which is normally what it does. Okay. Stablecoin inflows into Bitcoin markets are positive again. This is a very bullish development, historically aligned with Bitcoin's rallies. Keep an eye on the metric cited exciting times ahead. Ooh, yes. Okay, let's see here. Stablecoins are on the rise, right? Because once the stablecoins rise, the Bitcoin price rises. That's how it works, right? Because these guys, print a bunch of dollars so that you can like get some liquidity, get into US dollars on the crypto scene, because you don't want to hold dollars in a bank. If you do, well, actually, I'm going to tweet something out later on, and I'll show you what happens if you do that. Okay, I want to show you, right, with voice, as the bank, right. I had to wait many times, many days before they called me to clear up nonsense transactions. It's ridiculous. It's unbelievable. They froze my account because I deposited money, the exact same amount of money. They went in, went out the next day on a check that I've been using every single month to pay rent. I was like, and this transaction occurred 2 years ago. Oh, you know what? Enough. I'm gonna digress. Go on. Okay, Bitcoin. Right, it's been almost 8 years since BTC saw this last bullish cross, and you can see here, we cross in here and we cross down here. What does that mean? A thermonuclear explosion? This was thermal, right? If somebody said, when I was down here, if somebody said it was going to 20K, in fact, I was studying how to do technical analysis, and I did one actual technical analysis called point and figure. And it ended up like when I worked out the math, it ended up with Bitcoin at 20K. So I thought, oh, this point and figure stuff is nonsense. Wow. Guess not. All right. So what does that mean here? We could be at, $1 million Bitcoin. Hold on to your butts, folks. It's going to get interesting. Okay. Is MTGOX under attack? Drama hits repayments. Okay. Yeah, right. BS. I call BS on this one. This is yet another embarrassment for those overseeing the MTGOX bankruptcy, with one Reddit user quipped that the fright was karma for criticizing how incompetent the entire operation has been. Yeah, well, it's been 10 years, right? So, and these guys don't know anything. So, and I think they know what they're doing, really. Honestly, let's call a spade, right? The longer they hold on to the Bitcoins, the more they can use it for themselves, right? Even though it's not theirs, right? If you know how things work in the financial sector, you can borrow against it and then do other kind of stuff, right? Because it's not, even because you're holding it. It's been a horrible 10 years with Bitcoiners who lost everything in the MTGOX hack, with 850,000 Bitcoins stolen before their very eyes. Yes. Problem with their system is they send that you have logged in an email before you enter the 2FA code, so a bit misleading. Okay. One user put the theory into test by attempting to get into their account with a bogus password, and sure enough, they got an email claiming that a login had taken place. Wow. Is yet another embarrassment for those overseeing the MTGOX bankruptcy, with the Reddit user equipped with the fright, okay? But it also exposes a pretty big problem when it comes to bankruptcy proceedings. As detailed about, customers often end up entering the public domain, such as information can be used to fraudsters to initiate phishing attacks. Yeah, it's horrible. It is what it is. But it will come to an end, and yeah, people will get their money and life will go on. Okay, let's take a look at price action. Yes. Yeah, I kind of saw this coming when we were closing the Bollinger Bands. We could see that the price dumped down a little bit, and where we tightened the bands for its next move. Bitcoin wants to do another big move here, most likely to the upside. We're going into the weekend, so yeah, usually it doesn't like to leave gaps behind like this airplane gaps, right? So we might just stay steady for a little while, and then for next week, do the next run. So be prepared for, either a quick run up and then back down, just like peekaboo, and then off, and then back in here, and then we're go stabilize for the next 2 days. All right, let's take a look at Ethereum. All right, ooh, Ethereum. It looks even bullish, more bullish than Bitcoin. I think we're going to see this thing run up to the yellow line again. You could always take profits up there, right, instead, and see it. If it comes up to this yellow line, that's still a decent profit, you know, with the ratio 3-to-1. So yeah, you can take profits right just below the yellow line, and which is the almost close to $4,900 if you're getting into this trade. So I really think that trade's an easy one to make. All right, well, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I know I did providing it for you. We'll see you guys not on Monday. We might do some shows on the weekend, but the regular show will show up on Tuesday. I'm gonna start actually doing it from New York at 8 o'clock. I'll start preparing the show Eastern Standard Time, right, and then broadcasting it later on in Eastern Standard Time. So it will be a little bit of few changes and stuff like that whilst I'm in the United States, but the show will go on. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.